Hello, and today we're going to continue looking at the if query. Last time we looked at this spreadsheet, the same one that's on the screen now, and we decided by using a function, the if function, whether it would be a pass or fail. Today our task is a little bit more complicated. We want to give each mark a grade. Now with pass or fail there were only two possibilities. With grade we're going to have grades A, B, C, D. So A will be over 80%, B will be between 70 and 80, C will be between 60 and 70, D will be between 50 and 60, and below that it will be fail. And we won't give a grade for the fails. So a much more complicated problem because we have a number of different possible results, not just two. So how do we do it? So I'm going to go to I2 here, and we're going to use the FX box to keep life simple. And so the logical test, let's just move this a little bit. The logical test is going to be, we're going to first set up a simple one for grade A only. So we're going to say, is F2 greater than or equal to 80%? And if the answer is yes, it is, we're going to say grade A. Notice that it puts in the inverted commas for you here, if you do it this way. If it's not, the message doesn't matter much. I'm just going to say bad luck. But as you'll see in a minute, we're going to override that message. So let's just action that one. So it comes up with grade A as we expect. If I drag this one down, they're all bad lucks because none of the other ones are over 80%. Okay, now we have to go back to I2 here. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to change the bad luck message. So the structure at the moment is you've got the test, and then you've got the answer if the test is correct, and then you've got the bad luck message if the test is not correct. What we're going to do this time, we're going to set it up so that you have the test, question 1. If the answer is yes, fine, end of story, you get that grade. If the answer is no, we're going to ask a second question. So this is what we're going to put in place of bad luck. That's why it didn't really matter what I put in there. So we're going to go if, again, open a second bracket, if F2 is greater than or equal to, and this time 70%, comma, inverted commas, would be, comma, and then bad luck. And we have to add an extra bracket at the end because we've now got two open one, two, so we need two close ones. So the first one is saying grade A, as we wanted. If we drag that down, the third one now, so 2 is saying grade B, because at 72% is coming in between 70 and 80. You can go back, delete, bad luck there, put in if, and a bracket, and then we can go to FX and we get a clean dialog box we can put our next test in. So next test is going to be, is F2 greater than or equal to 60%? And if it is, this is going to be grade C. Otherwise, bad luck. And I forgot to put the extra bracket in there, but it's done it for me automatically after giving me the error message. So we've got grade A there for I2, still the same. Let's drag it down. What's going to happen? Nothing. Why? Because we don't have any results in column F that are between 60 and 70. So it stays exactly the same. Right, go back in, same again. Delete all that. If bracket fx. So this time we're saying if f2 greater than or equal to 50%, then grade D. And okay, this time we don't put bad luck in here, because we're saying we've gone down the hierarchy. We've said if it's more than 80, grade A. If it's more than 70, grade B. If it's more than 60, grade C. If it's more than 50, grade D. If it's not more than 50, it won't pass. So all we need to put in here for instead of bad luck is fail. And we have everything covered now, from 100% to 0%. If it's between 0 and 50, it will say fail. And again, I've forgotten to put the extra bracket in, and again, it's done it for me. So there we have it, the results as we expect them to be. There is one more video to come, which is about switch, which covers a lot of the same functions, but that can be for next time, so see you then.